This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Shawnee Fortes. Look no further. Welcome home to this contemporary 3-bedroom 2-bath new construction home. The builder utilized every inch of space to make this house bright and airy. Cathedral ceilings, open floor plan, stainless steel appliances, knockdown walls, brushed nickel finishes throughout. Master bedroom ensuite west/walk-in closets, jetted tub and separate shower. Elongated windows, large front porch, and deck for your entertaining needs. This home is unique in every way. Don't miss out, call today for your tour. For more information, review the details below.